Police Provincial Office of Surigao del Norte, led by the Police Colonel Warren Dablo, for the prompt assistance to Surigao City Police Station in attending and handling crisis instigated by the members of the Federal Group of the Philippines. Its author, Board Member Victor F. Bernal. Whereas upholding peace and order is a fundamental responsibility of law enforcement agencies to safeguard public safety and security. Whereas in the early hours of 24 January 2025, members of the Federal Tribal Group of the Philippines, armed with bolo knives, illegally padlocked several establishments in Surigao City and installed checkpoints in Barangay Sabang, Surigao City. Whereas the Police Provincial Office of Surigao del Norte, under the leadership of Police Colonel Warren Dablo, demonstrated outstanding commitment, swift action, and effective coordination in providing crucial assistance to the Surigao City Police Station during the crisis instigated by the members of the Federal Tribal Group of the Philippines. Whereas through their collective efforts, strategic planning, and professional conduct, the officers successfully prevented escalation, upheld public order, and ensured the protection of the lives and property. Whereas their dedication and integrity and professionalism in law enforcement served as an inspiration to their fellow officers and community at large. Whereas their unwavering commitment to duty and exemplary crisis management significantly contributed to the swift and peaceful resolution of the situation. Wherefore, on motion of Board Member Victor F. Bernal, duly seconded by Board Member Andrea Igay and Board Member Alan A. Tultur, be it resolved as is hereby resolved to commend the Police Provincial Office of Surigao del Norte, led by Police Colonel Warren Dablo, for their prompt assistance to the Surigao City Police Station in attending and handling the crisis instigated by the members of the Federal Tribal Group of the Philippines. Passed and approved, signed, Eddie Dico Candy Jr., Presiding Officer.
Thank you. I would like to request the presence also of all the members so that we will be turning over our resolution to Colonel Daphne.